Your camera body matters, but your lens matters more. The right lens can completely change your photos, sharper portraits, better low light, more cinematic depth. In 2026, these are 5 lenses that are absolutely worth owning. The Helios 44-258mm f/2 is a legendary vintage lens known for its unique swirly bokeh and artistic rendering. It's fully manual, which means you control focus and aperture yourself, but that's part of its charm. The character this lens produces is very different from modern clinical glass. Portraits take on a dreamy cinematic look with distinctive background swirl. It's affordable and adaptable to many modern mirrorless systems with the right adapter. This lens is ideal for photographers who want a creative, film-like aesthetic rather than ultra-sharp perfection. If you're looking for something with personality and vintage character, you'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM is one of the best value lenses you can buy for Canon mirrorless cameras. It's lightweight, compact, and delivers impressive sharpness for the price. The f1.8 aperture allows strong background blur, making it perfect for portraits, street photography, and everyday shooting. It performs well in low-light situations without pushing ISO too high. Autofocus is fast and quiet, which makes it useful for both photos and video. This is the kind of lens that stays in your bag all the time because it's versatile and affordable. If you're building your RF kit and want a reliable prime lens, check the description below for links and pricing. The Sigma 85mm f1.4 DGD-NART is a serious portrait lens with incredible sharpness and beautiful subject separation. The wide f1.4 aperture creates creamy background blur while keeping your subject tack sharp. It performs exceptionally well in low light and delivers excellent color and contrast. Autofocus is reliable and fast, making it suitable for both professional portraits and events. The build quality feels premium and durable without being overly heavy. This lens is ideal for portrait photographers who want high-end performance without paying flagship brand prices. If you want stunning compression and depth in your portraits, check the description below for links and availability. The Sony FE 24-70mm f2.8G Master 2 is one of the most versatile professional zoom lenses available. Covering wide to short telephoto focal lengths, it handles landscapes, portraits, events, and video work effortlessly. The constant f2.8 aperture provides consistent exposure and good background separation across the zoom range. Image quality is extremely sharp throughout the frame, even wide open. Autofocus is quick and accurate, making it ideal for fast-paced shooting environments, and despite its performance, it's lighter than previous versions, improving portability. If you want one lens that can handle almost everything at a professional level, you can find the purchase links in the description below. The Tamron 28-75mm f2.8 III VXD G2 offers strong performance at a more accessible price point. It delivers sharp images, reliable autofocus, and a constant f2.8 aperture across the zoom range. It's compact and lighter compared to many competing 24-70mm lenses, making it easier to carry for long shoots. This lens is excellent for travel, portraits, and everyday photography. The updated version improves autofocus speed and overall sharpness compared to earlier models. It's a great option for creators who want professional-level results without paying premium flagship prices. If you're looking for a powerful all-round zoom lens, check the description below for links and pricing. A great lens can completely elevate your photography. Whether you want budget-friendly primes, vintage character, or pro-level zoom versatility, these lenses are worth considering in 2026. Subscribe for more camera gear guides and check the description below for all the links.